Hey beauties, it's Riri. Of course, it is time for a little bit of a hair change. I'm going in with the Got To Be color remix. This has 2 shades of teal. As you can see, the top part of my hair, I bleached that a couple of times through the last couple of years, and I choose to just kind of take that top piece and I like to just play with it. Whether I keep it blonde, whether I add pink, purple, blue, whatever the case may be. I was going to do pink with yellow in the front, but the pink did kind of bleed into those very like blonde front pieces. So I can't really do that because I don't think it would look the best. So I figured because I do have peachiness and pinkiness in my hair, the blue should cancel out the orangey tones, and then blue and pink or blue and red would make purple. So I anticipated a decent experience or a decent result with this. You can see I'm trying to separate my like more blonde front pieces, those little money pieces that I had, because I wanted to at first do the light teal in the front and then the like kind of more saturated teal for the rest of the hair. I will note that this comes in a tube. It is incredibly thick and very dense. A little bit harder to work with if you're not mixing it with any of the conditioner, but I do like the premise of here's the deeper version of the color, and then you do get conditioner packets as well. So you can go in straight from the tube, apply it on the hair. It's a good for you product. I get comments a lot about coloring my hair every 4 to 6 weeks. You guys, I'm using semi-permanent hair. It is quite conditioning for the hair. I'm not going in and lifting my hair. I'm not going in and bleaching it or lightening it or anything like that. When I lighten my hair, it is 1 to 2 times a year, and that is it. So you can see I'm just separating out the front little sections here. So I'm going to go in with the base pigment first, all over the back part of the hair and the top part of the hair, and then we can mix as much conditioner as we want to. You can even kind of dip into your own conditioner, but dip into the conditioner, and then you can make any color that you want to. You could literally take 5 bowls, take this tube, and make, 5 different variations of teal. So I am definitely going to speed up the process because y'all know I like to talk too much, y'all. So I'm going to speed up this process, and yeah, thank y'all for joining. I hope you'll stick around and subscribe. Give the video a big thumbs up. It helps me tremendously as a creator, and y'all, I have a shorts video up with my 5K giveaway. I am trying so hard to reach that 5K threshold, so if you see this video, make sure you click out when you're done watching and go find that 5K giveaway, and please consider subscribing and enter the giveaway. Good luck if you do enter. Let's speed this roadshow up, y'all. All right, once the darker teal was applied, I am now going to go in with just a little bit left. I did end up using 3 of these for my hair. So you may use a little bit more product than you would maybe think you would use. But they were only like $10 from Walmart, so not, you know, not bad in my opinion. But I'm taking the hair color and then adding some of the conditioner packets to it. It wasn't quite as light and as pastel as I would have liked, so I did also go in with my own conditioner and literally just going through and applying it as you know, normally would any other hair color. I did leave this on for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, I went and took a shower, so that is why I look a little bit different. And I always do this in real time with you guys. I do not see my hair until y'all see my hair. Do y'all know how hard that is for me to do? So you can see the back is very bright, and you can see different kind of areas that have like a little bit of a purple hint to them. Some of them are a little bit darker. There's a little bit more greeniness to them. I really, really love the color of it. I love how it turned out. And then the front pieces obviously are a little bit lighter. I think the contrast in the way that it kind of just blends together, it looks so, so pretty. I love it. And here it is dry with a full makeup look. You guys, I think this is so freaking beautiful. I love the ombre effect. It's definitely giving beautiful mermaid vibes. And of course, I like to do a makeup look to kind of commemorate whatever new hair color I have. I love this so, so much. I am considering, and I'll post it just like in my community tab or something like that. I'm considering taking some of my pink that I have from Manic Panic and putting that kind of at the root area and letting that kind of fade down. But yeah, I love it. Let me know what you guys think.